Alright, so we're doing the trim work right now, the casings and all. Just have to show you this. See this? You see how much I'm flexing that. There's not a lot of, there's no stability. There's no stability in this. So what I'm having to do is come back in like this one. I'm having to add wedges in between here to nail it off, so that we have stability on that. This is a really good example of this one here. This one had to be wedged all the way down at the bottom and then across the top. So now we got that done. Now we can run the casing on it and then put the baseboards up. Just a little something extra we're having to do.